Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatima Arush. I am studying at Inspire English Academy. First of all, I am thankful to Zamir Qazi sir who has given me this nice opportunity to tell a story. So the title of my story is Trees That Would. Once there were three trees in the forest. One day they were discussing their hopes and their dreams. When the first tree said, "Someday I hope to be a treasure chest." Then second tree said, "Someday I hope to be a mighty ship." Then third tree said, "Someday I hope to be a tallest tree in the whole forest." Time has passed and they are continuously praying for their dreams. And one day the group of woodsmen came in the forest. One of the woodmen came to the first tree and said, "This is a strong tree. I can take this and send to the carpenter." Another woodman came to the second tree and said, "This is also a strong tree. I can also send this tree to the shipyard." Both the tree was happy because they knew that they are on the way which they have imagined. But here the third tree was afraid because he knew that when the woodman came, he cut it down and his being of tallest tree would be end, and still happened which he thought. Now the first tree arrived at the carpenter, and the carpenter unfortunately made a feed box for animals which he didn't pray for him. The second tree went to the shipyard, and here also the shipyard made a small fishing boat. And the third tree, very bad, put it alone in a dark room where no one is coming. Time is passing, and they forget their dreams. In this situation, they don't know what they have imagined before. Now, one of the man and a woman came in the barn. The man wished to take the feed box, which is made up of first tree, for making cry of his baby. But his manager has to do it. In this situation, the first tree realized that he has the greatest treasure of all time. After many years, the second tree. Come to the second tree. Many fisher was sitting in a small fishing boat. Suddenly a tsunami wave came. All were shocked. One of the men said, "Peace." So the tsunami wave stopped. Now the second tree realized that he have kings of kings which can stop the tsunami. At last the third tree. Finally one of the men got the pieces of the third tree. He was taking the pieces of the third tree and going on the street. Everyone was imitating him. He come on the stop and he put on the top of the hill to dry the wood. But unfortunately, when the Sunday came after 1 week, he still was strong. And in this situation, the tree realized that he was very strong. He didn't have to lose the hope. So the moral we get by this story is, when we are not seeing that our dream are not on the way, so always remember God plan for us, and God plan is very best. Our way is this and God way is this, and that way is the very best, because God is teaching you something. And the main thing is that when you struggle in your life, then only you get the success. When you can't struggle in your life, you can't get any success. Have you seen that all the three trees have imagined get, but on that way not which they have imagined, another way which the God have planned. So all have to do, never demotivate in your life, always motivated. Hope you all have learned some moral. Thank you for listening to me.